Today, we're diving into the comparison between Salesflare and Capsule CRM to see which one is the best fit for small teams looking to streamline their customer relationship management. But stick around until the end, because I'll be recommending something else that might actually be a better fit for your team's needs. First, let's talk about Salesflare. It's a CRM that's designed specifically for small teams. One of the key selling points is how it automates many tasks, such as data entry and contact management. If you're tired of manually updating your CRM every time you interact with a client, Salesflare might just be a dream come true. The system pulls in data from your emails, calendar, and other sources, making sure everything is updated automatically. But here's the catch, it comes with a bit of a learning curve. For small teams, especially those not used to CRMs with automated features, it can take a while to set up and really get going. The user interface is clean, but not necessarily the most intuitive for beginners. So, while Salesflare does a great job of saving time once it's up and running, there's that initial hurdle to overcome. Next thing, let's look at Capsule CRM. It's been around for quite a while and is known for its simplicity. If you're a small team looking for something easy to set up, Capsule could be a great option. The interface is straightforward, and its features, while not as automated as Salesflare, still cover the basics. You can track contacts, deals, and tasks without feeling overwhelmed by complexity. However, one downside to Capsule is its lack of advanced automation and customization options. For small teams that want to scale quickly or need deeper reporting and integrations, Capsule might fall short. It's great for teams that want a no-frills CRM, but it doesn't offer the kind of flexibility that a more complex tool like Salesflare does. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Both of these CRMs are relatively affordable for small teams, but Salesflare's higher tier plans can get pretty expensive as your team grows. Capsule, on the other hand, keeps things a bit more budget-friendly, especially for those who just need basic CRM features. It's a good option if you're running a lean operation but don't need all the bells and whistles. Another factor is integrations. Salesflare integrates seamlessly with a lot of tools that small teams use, like email, calendar, and even social media platforms. Capsule has a good set of integrations as well, but not as extensive. So, if you rely on a wide range of tools in your business, Salesflare might be the better option here. Next, let's talk about customer support. Both Salesflare and Capsule CRM offer solid support, but Salesflare's support is generally seen as a bit more responsive, especially when dealing with technical issues. Capsule CRM support is decent, but may take a bit longer to resolve more complicated issues, and it's more reliant on email communication. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Both Salesflare and Capsule CRM are solid options for small teams, but after testing both of them and weighing the pros and cons, I have to recommend something else. Both have their strengths, but they also come with limitations that could hold your team back as you grow. If you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, automation, simplicity, scalability, and excellent customer support, there's a better alternative out there. This alternative has a better interface, a wider range of integrations, and more flexibility without the steep learning curve or high price tag that comes with Salesflare. The softwares I mentioned today, Salesflare and Capsule CRM, are good, but if you want to take your small team to the next level, you should check out the free trial linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to the best free trial and benefits only available to our viewers. Give it a try and see if it's the perfect fit for your needs.